couldn't be the one to fall apart. I didn't want to run, didn't want to hide all that's in my heart. I didn't want to lose, but it was never there to win. I was always gonna break us, so I couldn't let you in. And I once owed you it all. You once. If you were right, that makes me wrong. How could I have been wrong all along? You told me I was never enough. I've woken up. If you moved on, then I stepped back. I was always frightened of that. We always did avoid the light. Now only shadows tell our story that was never told. Didn't want to be the watched as I was not what I had seemed. Didn't want to watch you as your vision was green. Didn't want to be shameful, but I needed to prove. I didn't want to be destructive, but I didn't want to lose. And I once owed you it all. You once owned it all. And life is real. Feel what you feel. Rules aside, you see games in chemistry. No text can tell us this. No book can prove to us we're all the same. We read stories underneath all that you desire. Didn't want to be structured, didn't want to leave flames in the dark. Instead you put out the fire in my heart. And I put faith in all they say is written right there in the stars. Didn't want to be stressed, didn't want anything less. You didn't want to hurt me, you tried your very best. I didn't want it to be painful, and I never did expect this. I really did want to save us, but I had nothing left. And all you say is that I've changed. All you have in you is blame. I can be smart. I'll offer you my heart. I can be smart. I'll offer you my heart. I can be smart. I'll offer you
Oh, that's okay. That detracts from your massive sniff at the end of the song. Well done. Oh, brilliant. That's good.
I can't even wash my hands to prove it.
Just wipe them on your knees. I meant thighs, because who does that? Apart from, no.
Oh, when I write my name.
It's okay, I don't think anybody saw.